Down for it. Da, 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 da. My stomach just growled. Did you hear that? So nice. I was like, oh, you guys are the best. Oh, my necklace is twisted. Oh my gosh. You gotta play one more. Man, if my stomach wasn't growling so much, I would really take you up on that. Pero estoy bien. My stomach just growled. I heard it. So ignore me. I always get hungry at this time of the day. I don't know. That's Lana Del Rey, Dark Paradise. Cool song, right? It's really cool. Oh my god, my stomach's growling. Okay, I gotta take a quick break. I gotta go grab a snack. Hold on. I can't. The microphone is closer to my stomach now, and that's a problem because you're gonna hear my stomach growling. Dead or alive. That's a good song. Kevin, thank you for the gift sub. Oh my god, my stomach just growled. Did you hear it? Tattoos Together. It's by Love. I don't know how you say it. Play on easy. I don't know what that is. Where's my tuner? My stomach's growling. Did you hear it? Check it out. That'd be fun to learn. You guys, I'm hungry. You're making me hungry talking about all this cheese. I'm like, my stomach's literally growling. So, on that note, thank you so much for being here. I'm gonna head off and get some lunch. Oh my god, okay, was that thunder or was that my stomach growling? I don't know. Honestly, I'm not sure. That one was my stomach. My stomach's growling so much. I'm sorry, everybody. Sorry about it.